Hi guys, it's Risa. No, I'm not in my kitchen. I'm at work. I've got my tag and it's lunchtime. Um, and I just went for a nice walk to get in an extra 30 minutes and I have another half an hour. So I thought, why not show you what I'm eating just to help you guys. And you know, I love to pay it forward. I hope you guys are doing well, and I'm going to teach you how to make my delicious salad with some leftovers, okay? Because, you know, we get bored of leftovers and then you think, what do I do with them, right? Before I do, ring the bell option so you get all my new videos by email. Please subscribe, share, comment, and like, okay? I love seeing your posts and ask questions. If you have questions, please ask questions. So, when I go to work, I usually bring a lot of stuff. So sometimes I make my salads in advance and sometimes I don't, because after a few days, sometimes the veggies get a little mushy. I don't like mushy. So I just put my romaine lettuce in some tinfoil or baggies. I bring cucumbers whole. I bring peppers whole. Okay, I bring, what else? I have a piece of onion, red onion, whatever you like, okay? So I'd wash my lettuce and cut it up, all right, nice and small. I don't like big chunks of lettuce, but however you like it. And then I had some cucumbers, green peppers, yellow peppers, and some red onions. And I'm just gonna add it to my bowl. Now, look at this size bowl. I got it at the dollar store because I like a big salad and we eat with our eyes. And when it's big, we feel like we're eating a lot, right? Of course, right. You know I'm right. So on the weekend, I grilled a whole bunch of vegetables and I had a dinner party. And I thought, well, what am I going to do with them? I mean, I could eat them every night and then get bored, or I could throw them in my salad, right? So here are lots of vegetables. I did zucchini. I did peppers. I even did some Roma tomatoes, which I really like. We don't want to spill it on ourselves. Okay. And so I'm going to throw them in. I cut some up already, and I'm adding it to my beautiful, huge salad. I also boiled up some eggs. I usually like to keep eggs as a snack option because it's high protein and filling, and I find them very delicious. I can eat them just with a little bit of Himalayan salt. Actually, that's what I forgot, to take out my salt, but I love pink Himalayan salt. Pink Himalayan salt will bring out the flavor, and if you're doing intermittent fasting, it helps with your minerals, okay, you know what I'm talking about. Sometimes if you're drinking a lot of water, you need to replenish. That's the word, replenish your minerals. So I made salmon, and I have some egg right here. I've just cut it up, and I'm going to add that as well to my salad. So the great thing about salads are they are so versatile. You don't like the veggies I'm using, you don't like the egg, you can put anything in, but it's great for leftovers to just throw everything into a big salad, which I love. And then I'll add the salmon probably either on the side or put some of it in. All right. Now, the other thing I love is you need a little bit of a carb, right? So I toast my tortillas, and I'm just going to show you. You can buy any brand, of course, but I buy the Mama Lupa tortilla from the low carb grocery store. They're one Smart Point, and they are super tasty and delicious. I'm just looking at 60 calories. All right. So, and one Smart Point for you guys on WW. Now, one of my all-time favorite dressing, now you can make your own dressing. You put even some lemon juice, some olive oil, some balsamic vinegar, whatever you want on your salads. Or you can buy salads, which is sometimes just faster and easier. But make sure you check the nutritional information. This one is 15 calories, 0 saturated fats, 3 grams of sugar, 0 protein. Okay, so for 1 tablespoon, I believe it's 0. For 2 tablespoons is 1 Smart Point, okay? So you can add this. My niece just brought me back this Skinny Girl. I haven't tried it. I heard it's kind of sweet, but again, any type of dressing. And I usually use about 1 or 2 tablespoons of dressing. So you can decide how many points you want to have. So basically for the whole lunch, those of you on WW, it might be 2 smart points for the whole recipe, I know. And very filling, satisfying, and delicious, which is my favorite word. So that's it. So that's my whole beautiful, huge, big, honking salad. Get a nice big bowl. I bought a few of these bowls for me and for my niece, because we are salad freaks. So you can do what you want. And again, you can add any of your leftovers, just throw it in a salad, and it's very versatile. All right, so that's it. That's my whole video. Very easy. I have my Perrier water, which I love, and I have my coffee, which I love too, of course. And I'm going to go enjoy my lunch. So I hope you love this video. Again, please like, comment, subscribe, share. Visit my Facebook group for more inspiration, Weight Watcher tips and recipes by Risa. Gotta go. Love you guys. Hope this was helpful. Mwah. Bye for now.